going to see a reading part of the lesson number 5, the Southern Plateaus, from your textbook. Students, open your textbook, page number 32, lesson number 5, the Southern Plateau. Or put your fingers on the first line. A plateau is a raised stretch of land that is flat at the top. It resembles a tabletop. Hence, it is also known as tableland. The Southern Plateau is triangular in shape and lies to the south of Narmada. It is broader in the north and narrower in the south. The states which lie in this region are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and the eastern part of Kerala and Odisha. The Southern Plateau lies to the south of the northern plains and extends up to Kanyakumari, the southmost tip of India. The Southern Plateau is surrounded by hills. To the northwest of the plateau lies the Aravalli Hills, Vindhya and Satpura. The Rajmahal Hills are to the northeast. The Western Ghats are in the west and the Eastern Ghat lie in the east. The Nilgiri and the Cardamom Hills are towards the south. See the next page, page number 33. The rivers of this region are seasonal and not very big since they are dependent on the rains. In the northern plains, rivers are larger as their source lie in the glacier and snow-covered mountains. During poor monsoon, the rivers may even dry up in the Southern Plateau. The rivers in this plateau flow with great speed and even form waterfalls. The Jog Falls in Karnataka is one of the highest waterfalls in India. Narmada divides the huge plateau region into two parts. Central highlands in the north and Deccan Plateau in the south. Central highlands. The central highlands are surrounded by the Aravalli Hills in the northwest, the Vindhya range in the south and the Chota Nagpur Plateau in the east. The Malwa Plateau lies in the center. The Satpura range lies in between the Narmada and the Tapi rivers. The central highlands are drained by many rivers, some of them like Chambal, Betwa and Son join the Ganga and Yamuna river system from the south. This region is rich in black soil that is good for growing cotton and sugarcane. The Chota Nagpur Plateau includes Jharkhand, northern Odisha and northeastern Chhattisgarh. This entire region is rich in valuable minerals such as coal, iron, magnesium, bauxite and mica. The mines are located in Zairia, Giridihar, Bokaro and Raniganj. Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau has rocky and uneven terrain. It lies to the south of the Satpura range and extends up to the southern tip of peninsular India. Anamudi. See the next page, page number 34. First line. The highest peak of this region. The Deccan Plateau is surrounded by the western and the eastern Ghats and both meet at the Nilgiri Hills. The Eastern Ghats stretch from the Mahanadi valleys to the Nilgiri in the south. They are irregular and cut by rivers that fall into the Bay of Bengal. The Western Ghats, on the other hand, are a continuous stretch of hills. Sahyadri, Nilgiris, Annamalai and Cardamom hills are important ranges of the Western Ghats. They lie close to the sea along the western coast. Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri originates from the Western Ghats and flow towards the east. The Narmada and Tapi are the only rivers that flow towards the west and fall into the Arabian Sea. The Godavari is the longest river in the Deccan Plateau. Life in the region. The southern plateau covers the following states. Madhya Pradesh. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Indore, Gwalior and Jabalpur are some of the popular cities. The Kanha National Park has been set up to protect the tigers. Panchamari and the temples at Khajuraho attracts thousands of tourists from all over the world. Panna is famous for diamond mines. Wheat and cotton are the main crops grown here. Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh lies to the south of Chota Nagpur Plateau. Raipur is the capital of this state. The state is rich in minerals. Coal, iron and magnesium are mined here. Bhilai steel plants is located in this state. The farmers of this state grow rice, linseed, betel and watermelon. Jharkhand. Ranchi is the capital of this state. It is rich in mineral and forest reserves. See the next page. Jamshedpur, Bokaro and Dhanbad are important industry cities. The Damodar river flows through the state. Odisha. Bhubaneswar is the capital city of and Puri is the city of temples. The Jagannath temple and the famous Rath Yatra attracts many tourists every year. Cuttack is the main industrial city. Odisha is famous for its textiles and silver work. Rice and jute are the main crops. Odissi is a popular classical dance form of the state. People here speak Oriya. Maharashtra. Maharashtra lies in the northwest part of the Deccan Plateau and Mumbai is the capital city. Godavari and Krishna are the main rivers that flow through this state. Farmers here grow cotton, sugarcane, groundnut and millets. Mangoes, oranges and bananas are also grown here. The soil of Maharashtra is formed from the lava rocks. This lava soil, popularly called black soil, is ideal for growing cotton. People here speak Marathi and Konkani. Tamasha, a type of dance, drama and Lavani, a dance form, are popular in this state. Karnataka. Bengaluru is the capital city. It is also famous as a center of information technology. Mysuru and Bangalore are two popular cities. River Krishna, Tungabhadra and Kaveri flows through the state. See the page number 36. Keep your fingers. Karnataka has a rocky landscape. People practice farming as the main occupation. They grow cotton, sugarcane, coffee, spices and jawar. The forests are famous for teak and sandalwood trees. Handicrafts made out of sandalwood are famous all over the world. Kannada is the main language spoken here. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The main occupation is farming. Farmers grow rice, jawar, tobacco, sugar cane and groundnut. Telugu and Urdu are the main languages spoken here. Kuchipudi is the popular dance form. Bidri work on brass and copper items is a specialty of this state. The Charminar, Salarjung Museum and the Hussain Sagar Lake are popular tourist spots in Hyderabad. Tirupati is an important temple town in Andhra Pradesh.
Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. The state is famous for its temple towns of Madurai, Tanjavur, Tiruchirappalli and Kanchipuram. This state is also known for the silk sarees that are woven in Kanchipuram, Coimbatore and Madurai. Farming is the main occupation. Farmers grow rice, sugarcane, cotton and groundnut. Tea and coffee are grown on the slopes of the Nilgiri hills. Bharatnatyam is the traditional dance form. Tamil Nadu is the main language.